guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is last week's spread where I used According to Ali's Leafy Leafy, along with, I am all about the emojis right now. So I've got emojis from Coffee Monsters Co., from Green Darner Designs, Pretty Cute Planner, just trying to use up what I have because they're so friggin' adorable. All right, so let's go to this week, which is the week of July 19th. And because I got another order from According to Ali, I had to use these watercolor florals along with these two washi tapes. And I've already got my Coffee Monsters Co. ready to go as well. Let's get started. So the first thing that I do want to do, I'm wondering whether I just put washi straight across the top because it's not something I normally do, but do I want to just put washi straight across the top as like decoration? And I can already tell that it's going to be so pretty. OMG. Oh goodness. How pretty is that already? And that's just washi. It's amazing how much washi can make such a difference. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Can I just leave it at that? It's fine. All right. And then I'm going to actually go ahead and write in the days of the week because knowing me, I will probably forget. So let's write in week of. I already love this spread so much, and I've just put down a strip of washi. It's amazing how that works. So I'm gonna put one of these florals up at the top here, and I'm going to white out where it says values so it doesn't peek out from under the sticker. So place goals here, and I think I have a quote that I want to go over that. Just even a simple quote that just says stronger today, although I don't really want it to go too far that way or too far that way, and it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut that, if I can find my scissors. So then it will fit, and then I could put washi. This. Put a little bit of washi down because that is what I'm going for, and then just stronger today. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so then move this to the side. My planning area is a crazy mess at the moment. So then, like I did in the week before, I'm going to keep track of my sleep as well as my workouts here. So I know I have a cutie patootie sleep emoji. Give me a sec. So I'm gonna take this gray washi, have it go across here. Very simple, not a lot. And then I'm gonna take one of these cute sleeping emojis from the Coffee Monsters Co. and just place it here, and that's where I'm going to track my sleep. So I'm going to draw a graph like I did last week, and I really like the way that it's turning out, so I'm going to do it in the same format. Okay, and then underneath here I'm going to use this washi, if I can find the end. I'm using washi for everything. There's no complaints about that. Place the washi down here. Make sure it's straight. Then I'm going to use one of these from the Coffee Monsters Co. They're her double check boxes that I got most recently in oh, how cute. And then I'm gonna just write out the workout similar to what I did here, write out the days of the week and the workouts that I'm scheduled to do. So then in the corner, I'm going to place one of these alcohol inks. Gosh, how pretty is that? Then I'm going to take another quote, because you guys know me, I love quotes. And I pulled this from, I went through actually all of my Happy Planner sticker books and basically took out all the quotes that I liked. Took out all the quote pages that I liked. I feel like this is very, very true. But I also like these type ones. I like this one. Okay, this one says, be you, do you. Ooh, let's not peel off everything. And because of the way it is, I'm going to cut it again. So here we go. Be you, do you, for you. Oh my gosh, it's like it was meant to be. And then I'm gonna add a bit of this gray. I don't mind that I'm covering up where it says weekly planning. Oh my goodness, I just love the whole spread already. What I decided I'm gonna do is I've seen other spreads where they've kind of broken out, you know, the actual time for the day with what happens at the bottom. So I'm gonna take my gray mild liner and my ruler and actually just mark a line along here to separate the day with anything I track underneath, because anything above that is basically what I do on a day-to-day basis. Anything below that is where I track my steps and calories and my breakfast, lunches, and dinners. So I think having that division is going to be really, really helpful to me. So I'm just going to go in and fill in each day. I'm going to do this as a voiceover sped up because I'm still getting used to it, but I will do voiceover and talk you through why I've done everything. So starting with Monday, I actually just drew in the arrows for my work shifts all throughout the week. And it's generally the same. Sometimes I do have an early morning 8 a.m. meeting. And then I decided to take my gray Tombow Food No Scape brush pen and write in the word work. And I'm thinking, what do I do now? But then I take this cute Coffee Monsters Co. sticker and write in Coffee Monday. And then I know that I do have to do meal planning and ordering groceries, so I do that on Monday evening, and then I start filling in the steps and calories and then the BLD for breakfast, lunches, and dinners. And I kind of go all over the place with this, but then I take that unicorn from Pretty Cute Planner for putting out garbages, and then I take this spray bottle from the Sticker Genie to mop the floors for Wednesday. And then this cute grocery sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. because I always pick up groceries on Thursday. And then it's my sister's birthday on Friday, and I took this cute pearl sticker from Green Darner Designs. And then this big planner emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. because I normally do my filming on Friday. And then I go ahead and fill in the S and C and BLD for the rest of the week. All right, now I don't have anything yet for Saturday or Sunday, except I need to find my cleaning, because Sunday is normally our big cleaning day. So let me find my cleaning ninja. Clean, and because my husband is actually going to be out of town those days, and I'll actually put a note here. Clean. How did I do it the week before? And I've been referring a lot to previous weeks because I'm still trying to find my way around how I put everything down. So let's do this. Clean. Okay, and then just write in the tasks. Okay, And Saturday, Robin is supposed to have horseback riding, but because my husband is out of town, I'm not exactly sure. I don't know if maybe my mom can babysit or whatnot. So the last thing I want to put in here, I'm going to take this Coffee Monsters Co. sampler and take the Independent and put that here. Rob's going away for the weekend with my brother-in-law and his friend, so he's having another romantic weekend, which is what I like to call it. So now that the functional is in there, I feel like I could add a little bit more, but I don't think I necessarily need to. It's really pretty just the way it is. Like, the washi makes such a huge difference at the top. I don't know, I don't feel like I need to add anything else, but if I do, I will add the rest as the week goes on. And I will be doing another vlog for this particular spread. I'm glad you guys gave me such great feedback on the last one, but I will definitely do another vlog to show you how I fill this one out. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.